Motorcycle Morning, Epic Ride 2018. Here I am, Surfside Beach. Just got packed up. Well, still backing up here. Just getting my stuff on and everything. Holy crap, I about left that. That would not be good. Oh, whew, my wife would kill me if I left that. Let's not leave that. I'll just put it in the pocket here. That's where she wanted it. I had to keep it in my tent, but I'm sure she'd prefer I kept the rosary in my pocket. Okay. Anyhow, I know this looks cool. I know. Don't get me wrong. Staying at the beach, cool. Super cool. Idea of staying at the beach, super cool. In reality, in a tent, it is traumatic. First of all, there's a solid 30-mile-an-hour wind blowing here constantly, okay? Trying to fold up that tent is not good. And it's just warm enough that everything is moist. The sand is moist and everything. So if sand is all stuck in, I'm going to have to, when I get to the next place, rinse it out, dry. I don't know what I'm going to do, but it's rough. It's super rough. If it were just a little bit cooler, if it were in the fall, the winter, you know, everything was a little bit drier and the sand just fell off, that would be cool. But sand, it's sticky sand here. That's not good. Sticky sand, no. Okay. Let's try and get down the road some, get some of this sand off Shady. Shady's sandy. Call her, instead of Herbie the love bug, Shady the doom bug. In fact, let's get a picture of her real quick before we get out of here. Little crabs or something digging holes all around me all night. I don't even know. I wish I'd have caught that. That'd have been cool. Down, 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 down. Tried and true. Shady starts right up every time. Appreciate that, Shady. I really do. I don't take you for granted at all. Your mirrors keep falling off, but besides that, you're tried and true. Not your fault. Some aftermarket crap Chinese mirror. I'm not. God, it's not because they're Chinese. Calm down. All right, whatever. All right, I'm praying that tractor I saw on the way in last night cleared me a path to get out of here. I'm praying. We'll see. And again, a lot changes overnight here. Okay, we gotta get the fast lane biker thing out of here. Fast lane bike. Oh, it's gonna be so sandy. That in there. Turn off the choke so Shady can breathe. What do you think? Think try to get out of here? Got a wallet, that's good. Got phone, keys. Well, what else do you need? Shady, that's what you need. Here we go. Trying to turn around. Right out here on the not so soft part, that would be better. Okay, driving on the beach, driving on the beach, off-roading. Shady the doom bug. Key to driving on the sand is not the key to driving on the sand with this heavy of a bike and these tires, just not let it get away from you. Just keep your speed constant, keep it low. Try not to go through the mushy stuff. Try to keep it civil. There was people rolling up in here 2 o'clock in the morning. See all those divots where people will sit here and fish all day? Just pull up in here in your car and just go to sleep. It's warm in there though. It is warm now.
People doing donuts out here.
That's my exit. Doesn't look too bad. Looks downright pleasant, if you ask me. Oh yeah, much better. Oh yeah. Ooh, make it right. Turn that right. All right. Come on, Shady. You can do it. Going in the mix. Going in the. Come on, Shady. Almost there. Woo, made it. You're a little out of your element there, wasn't you, Shady? It's all right. There's some asphalt right here for you. Don't worry. Good motorcycle morning. Surfside Beach, Freeport, Texas. Epic Ride 2018. Headed to the border. Crazy. There's like mass industry on the mainland there, and then a few houses out here on the sandbar. It's crazy. So we're headed to see the USS Lexington. God. Refinery, I believe this is. My goodness. Yeah. There's definitely a chemical smell. I gotta get out of here. It's like breathing bleach. I love four-way stops. They're so civil. We need more of those. Good Lord. Off-roading on the road. Zoom, daddy, zoom. Hello. 80 mile an hour down the road. Staring at myself in the mirror.
Everybody's on the run. These days, everybody's on the run.
Huh, y'all are still with me. I didn't know that. I'm in Port Lavaca. Gonna get some gas and fix this friggin' mirror that wants to go everywhere. Okay? Be with y'all in a minute. Alright? Alright. Got the gas. Got the mirror tightened down. I don't know if it's, aligned right. We won't know until I'm going down the road, but we can keep tweaking it as we go. So about an hour and 20 minutes from now, we'll be at the USS Lexington, I presume. I forgot to clean my windscreen. How's your lens doing? You okay? You good?
What's in your head? In your head.
I gotta tell you, this could be Mexico. I imagine this is much like Mexico right now. I'm getting so close, but we'll see. Speed limit 75? What? I gotta turn off this road, but that's awesome. This is crazy fast for a 2-lane road. The thing is, if I don't go this fast, I will get eat up. Bugs hit me like a ton of bricks on this road. Wow. I'm loving this route. I mean, it's fast. I mean, sometimes it's straight and boring, but it's definitely fast. And there's beautiful waterways and bridges. Pretty cool.
Moments later.
Okay, good motorcycle morning. We're on the USS Lexington aircraft carrier. I'm just after the bridge. There's the flight deck. There's the F-14 Tomcat. There's an F-18 back there. There's an A-1H Cobra. Looks like the cousin of an A-10 back there. This is supremely awesome. They got some really nice routes, tour routes carved out for you. A lot of places blocked off to a lot of places, but Top Gun, baby. Aircraft carrier, F-14 Tomcat. So cool. There's not much to show you inside, really, but it's so cool. I have a bunch of photos and stuff. Epic Ride 2018 USS Lexington, Corpus Christi, Texas. So cool. Bye-bye. Now, I know I didn't do the best job recording the USS Lexington there, but trust me when I say it was... And...
I feel the need for speed. Ow!
It was really, really too cool, y'all. But Texas is big, y'all. I really got to get down the road. Headed to Alice, Texas now. Let's go.
And the knees get weak. Larry is the white guy. People think he's funny. A real estate investor who makes a lot of money. Cracking like $1. We all got gold. Cruising in the bins. Ain't got no place to go. Wheeling 23rd. We said nothing but thugs. The girlies were too skinny from poking all the drugs. Cause the rock man got them and their butts just dropped. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more. Just to be the man who walks 1,000 miles and fall down at your door.
I'm here in Alice, Texas. Trying to get to the camp in a reasonable hour. I'm gonna run out of battery before I get there. I'm sorry you aren't gonna see me, but you'll be with me. You just won't see anything. You'll just be blind. That's all. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you tonight when I get to some electricity and charge y'all back up. Deal? Deal. For now, let's just see how far we can go. I think I'll go this way. Of course not. It's the other way. Of course not. Really want to get an Alice sign. Like an Alice, Texas, entering Alice, Texas. Alice? Who the duck is Alice?
Alice, Alice, oh the is Alice.
Got 93 miles to go on this road. I wish I could just hop on his trailer and just take a nap.
I wish I had a pencil thin mustache, the Boston Blackie kind, a two-tone Ricky Ricardo jacket, and an autographed picture of Andy Devine.
1 hour later.
Well, hey there, I'm in Laredo now, Laredo, Texas. Thought I'd climb this little mountain here and get a bird's eye view of my camp for you. This will be all for today. If you look off in the distance there, you can see Mexico way there in the background. I'm that close, guys. From here, I go to Mexico. Tomorrow, I'll hang out in Laredo and get all my stuff in order and everything, and then off to Mexico the day after tomorrow. Thank y'all so much for joining me this far. South of the border we go. Good motorcycle morning.
Take your time, fall in line someday. It's hard to win, hard to pin one